back to our YouTube channel once again, and this is Mathematics with Engineer Abs. Now, we want to look at the use of grammars or the determinant method to find a 3 by 3 matrix here, or equations. We have the 3 equations and the 3 unknown values, as you can see on the board. Now, let's look at the solution. But before we dive in here, in case you're watching this video for the very first time, please subscribe. That is the only way you can support this channel. Now, let's go back here. The first step here is just to get the determinant of this matrix, is to get determine the determinant of this matrix. So the first step is just to write the matrix form of this. So the matrix form is you take the coefficients of x, y, and z, which is 1, coefficients of that, -2, and -3. Then we have 3, 5, 2. Then we have 2, 3, and -1. Those are the coefficients of the unknown values x, y, and z. As you can see, 1, -2, -3, 3, 5, 2, 2, 3, -1. And x, y, z, and then 0, 0, 2. So you pick the matrix form of it. Then we want to get the determinant of this matrix. So let's put this one to be A. So the determinant of that matrix. Let's go to the determinant of the matrix here. So how do we get the determinant of the matrix? So the rule says that the signs are very important and you need to follow. So it begins with a plus as it goes on the horizontal, a plus, and then they alternate, a plus, a minus, and then a plus. When you come down, also this is a plus, this is a minus, and that is a plus. The sign alternate like that. This way also they just alternate plus, minus, and a plus, as you can see. So here, what we supposed to be taking, you take this one here, which is a positive value. You take that one, then you multiply by, you eliminate it, vertical of it, then you eliminate the vertical of it and the horizontal part of it. So you will see there is a 2 by 2 matrix which is remaining there. Then you take that one which is a positive, multiply the determinant of a 2 by 2 matrix which is remaining at the center. Then again, the second part, we have a negative, but our value was negative also. So negative multiplied by negative becomes a plus. So this has become a plus also. And then 2, so you can see, then you take, when we repeat the same, let me just rub this one out so that we don't get confused. This was 1, -2, and -3. And then downward, that is 3 and 2. That way. So also we take this and then we eliminate, you take it vertical and horizontal of that, but the sign is a plus, minus, and a plus. So it is a plus multiplied by plus, that is a negative, multiplied by negative, we get a plus, so that plus 2. Then a 2 by 2 matrix which is remaining is 3, 2, 3, 2, 2, -1, as you can see. Then we go the last part, which is a positive, but our value was negative. So a negative multiplied by plus, we get a negative. So that is -3 multiplied by. So also you eliminate that. If you eliminate this, you go vertical and horizontal of that. So you will see there is a 2 by 2 matrix which is remaining there, which is 3, 5, 2, 3. So that's how we get the determinant of this 3 by 3 matrix as such. So can we now get it, that determinant? 1 multiplied by, and you know, for you to get the determinant of a 2 by 2 matrix, you take this side here, the product of this side minus the product of the other side. So that means we have, that is negative 5 minus 6 plus 2. This is minus 3 minus 4 minus 3. That is 9 minus 10. So what do we get? This is negative 11. That is plus 2 multiplied by negative 7. You can see in the bracket. Then minus 3 multiplied by negative 1. 9 minus negative 10 is negative 1. So what do you have? Negative 11 minus 14 plus 3. So negative 11, negative 14, we get negative 25 plus 3, and we get the determinant of this matrix, negative 22. So it is very important that the determinant of this matrix, since we said it is also called the determinant method, so we are using the determinants to find the x, y, and z, which are the unknown values that we asked to determine. So that is now the first part. The second part, now let's go there and the other side and get the determinant of x. How do you get the determinant of x? How do you get the determinant of x? Let me just repeat this here. One, negative 2, negative 3, 3, 5, 2, 2, 3, negative 1, x, y, and z, and then 0, 0, 2. So how do you get the determinant x, which is the first part? And you can see the first part here, we have x's. We have the x's. So how do you get the determinant of x? So what we are going to do is to replace these values here, which is 0, 0, 2, with the values of x's here. So the determinant, the matrix form is going to be 0, 0, 2, replace with that, then you repeat the one which is remaining, negative 2, 5, 3, 3, then that one we have negative 3 to negative 1. Then how can we repeat the same and we follow the same procedure to find the determinant of x? So how do you get the determinant of x? Then the signs are very important. Don't forget about that. So it is a plus, minus, and a plus. So again, we just follow the same procedure. So we take 0, multiply by, so eliminate it. Vertical, I don't want to interfere with it now because we have learned how it is, we can go above that. So it is 0, eliminate vertical and horizontal. So a 2 by 2 matrix which is remaining is 5, 2, 3, negative 1. Then this is a negative and this is a negative number, so becomes a plus, so that's a plus 2. Then the matrix which is remaining, when we eliminate here, vertical and horizontal, we are going to remain with 0, 2, 2, negative 1, which is a 2 by 2 matrix. And then the last part, which is a plus, but we have negative 3. So that one becomes negative 3 multiplied by a 2 by 2 matrix, which is remaining. When eliminate it, vertical and horizontal, which is now 0, 5, 2, 3. As easy as A, B, C, D. So can we now get a 0 multiplied by a number? We are going to get 0 plus 2. This is also 0 minus 4. As you can see, this is also negative 3. Determinant of this matrix is 0 minus 10. So what is the determinant of x? That is now negative 8. Negative plus 30. I mean, you can see negative 3 multiplied by negative 10. We get positive 30. And this one we get 22, which is a positive. That is the determinant of x. Another procedure is to get the determinant of y's, and this is the column of y's here. So the determinant of y, can we just get the matrix of that y? So what we're going to do again is to replace these values of y, these ones, with these values here, with that values here. So just repeat the same, that is 1, 3, 2, then replace that one with 0, 0, 0, 0, 2, but the last part just remain the same, negative 3 to negative 1. So can we get the determinant of that y? Again, we just follow the same procedure. This is a plus, that is a negative, that is a plus. They alternate like that. So we eliminate this a positive one, then multiply by eliminate it vertical and horizontal. The 2 by 2 matrix which is remaining at the center is 0, 2, 2, negative 1. Then this is negative, and you know negative 0, this is 0. Then a 2 by 2 matrix, when we eliminate 0, this one vertical and horizontal, we are remaining with 3, 2, 2, negative 1. Then the last part, we have a plus, but it is a negative 3. So the negative takes the day and multiply by, when we eliminate the same procedure, vertical and horizontal, the matrix remaining is 3, 0, 2, 2. So what do you get the determinant? So that is 1 multiplied by 0 minus 4, 0. That is 0. A 0 multiplied by a number is just 0. Then we have negative 3. Then we have negative 3. That is 6 minus 0. So what do we get? That is negative 4, negative 18. And we get negative 22. And that is the determinant of the matrix Y. Let's get the last one. We are almost there. The determinant of Z. So what we're going to do again is to replace these values of Z here by 0, 0, 2. So we repeat the same, which is 1, 3, 2. Then we have negative 2, 5, 3. Then the last part, which is what Z is, we replace it with 0, 0, 2. So we just follow the same procedure. Don't forget a sign, which is a plus, negative, and a plus. So we take that one, then multiply, eliminate it the way we have done it before. The matrix remaining is 5, 0, 3, 2. Then this is a negative, and this is a negative 2, so become a plus, so that is a plus 2. Eliminate it, eliminate 2 vertical and horizontal, so we are in with 3, 0, 3, 0, 2, 2. Then the last part, which is a negative, plus, a plus, and it is 0, plus 0, and eliminate the last part. So a 2 by 2 matrix which is remaining is just that, which is 3, 5, 2, 3. So the determinant is 1 multiplied by 10, 0, plus 2 multiplied by that 6, 0, and plus 0. A 0 multiplied by that, we get 0. So what is the determinant? This is 10 plus 12. 10 plus 12. That is 10 plus 12. And we get this one to be 20, 22. So that is the determinant. That is the determinant of Z. So we are almost there. As you can see, it's very easy and sweet. Mathematics is very sweet, you guys. So can we now get, so first now to get the X, we get the determinant of X divided by the determinant that we got initially. Y, we get the determinant of Y divided by that matrix that of the that we got initially. Then Z, also the determinant of Z multiplied by the determinant. So can we now get them very fast? So X, the determinant of X was 22. So that 22 divided by the matrix, the determinant of the matrix that we got initially, which was the first matrix that we got of the initial values, divided by 22. Then determinant of Y, which is negative 22, negative 22. Then we are divided by that, which is negative 22 again. Then Z, determinant of Z, which is 22, divided by the determinant, which is negative 22. So this one gives us negative 1, this gives us 1, and this gives us negative 1. So X is equal to negative 1, Y is equal to 1, and Z is equal to negative 1. As you can see, is very easy as such. So you guys, if you've learned something, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and never stop learning, because those who stop learning stop living. Bye bye.